I will wash 2 kilograms of peaches. I will cut the peaches and take out the shift. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Grind the peaches in the blender. I pour the juice into a deep pan. Add 2 liters of water. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the juice boils, cook for 15 minutes. Remove the foam that forms during cooking. Once the foam is removed, it won't stick again. After 15 minutes of cooking, I add the juice of 2 lemons. If you want, this is the moment to sweeten the juice. I add the natural sweetener stevia, 1 spoon. Cook at a lower temperature for another 5 minutes. I sterilize the bottles and lids. The bottles in the oven at 100 Celsius for 30 minutes, and the lids in boiling water for 10 minutes. Filling bottles with juice. We do everything while it's hot. Close the bottles immediately after pouring the juice, while it is hot. When the juice has cooled, store it in a dark and cool place. Lasts up to a year. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.